Today we are going to talk about how to use yoga blocks as a tripod. Now, ideally, you have something like this, which I can link below. It's a little tripod with also an external mic that I bought. I think this is about $59 on Amazon, but there are moments when you are in the yoga studio, whether this is your home studio or a professional yoga studio, and you want to take a pic of yourself or you want to take a small video. So want to remind you that yoga blocks can be your friends. You are going to stack these comb saw. If you are in a studio that has, 20 or 40 of these, you could stack them up as high as that and place your laptop or your camera on top. But here's how you get the leverage. You need a little ledge for yourself. So you're going to create a little ledge, and then let's pretend this box of matches, I'm recording on my phone, but imagine this is a phone. It's actually a box of matches with the moon cycle on it. You can place your phone right like that. Now, to be honest, if it were this low, it's not going to be the best angle because it's shooting up at you. If you're standing up, you'll be much higher than that. So you're going to take this on top of some kind of stereo stand or dresser or what have you. This, however, would also work really great if you were just lying flat on the mat. If it were, a pigeon pose or just a talk to camera situation, this would totally work. I also want to show you what it looks like. Let's say if you used your iPad like that, it could also work like that. And then be mindful also that you need to angle it a little bit so it can hold, but don't angle it so much that it gets a bit distorted. You want it as flat as possible. Actually, with an iPad, it's pretty easy to keep it flat. And then also remember, your blocks have 3 different heights. So you could do it this way as well. You just need a little bit of space. I've done this as well. So see, you just need to create some kind of ledge. Actually, that's really good. I could take it like that, and then there's my iPad, press click. If you have a self timer, that helps a lot. Get a 10-second self timer on there, and then you can run and get into the posture. So that's how we use yoga blocks as tripods.